Happy New Year's, everyone. Happy 2025. May we be blessed with good health, goodwill, and may this year be prosperous for us all and keep us safe and protected. Here I have two angels that I made out of toilet paper rolls as well as the ones in the back. And I used a die cut to make the wings. You can also use paper towel rolls and you get the taller tree. And you can see with the eyelash yarn, it's very fluffy and colorful. And what I do is, like with the silver fur, I color the cone coordinating color, and I have a black one here because I've also been working on some Halloween trees. So let me show you that. See what you think. So that's a lot of fun. And then what I used on the bottom was one of those little condiment containers. And that gives it a little bit more height. And I've just been going mad crazy making these because there's so much to make. I mean, there's so much fun to make, and I have made a lot. This one is a recent one that I made. I took my polymer clay beads, and that's these ones here, and I put another coordinating color bead on top of it, and that's how that turned out. Put it on a wood disc. But I have another Halloween one here. That's a really tall one. And then I have a steampunk one. So yeah, I've been really having a lot of fun spending time making these toilet paper roll trees. A lot of fun. Let me take this off the tripod and bring some more out. Leave off one. So these toilet paper rolls with fun fur and their embellishments turned out pretty cool. See anything you like? Might want to buy one of my trees. Get in contact with me, and I'll be more than happy to speak with you and see if you're interested in buying one of my trees. Have a great weekend. Bye for now.